Inland Revenue Division, the IRD of the Ministry of Finance, has announced that effective January 1st, 2026, several tax types and government licenses must be submitted or processed exclusively through the GTAX online platform. This directive applies to all individuals and business owners across Grenada. According to the IRD, the following tax services will be transitioned fully to GTAX: personal income tax, PIT, corporate income tax, CIT filing, pay-as-you-go or pay, gaming tax, excise tax, withholding tax, annual stamp tax, and all licenses. Officials say the move marks a major milestone in the country's ongoing digital transformation, designed to enhance efficiency, convenience, and transparency in tax administration. Nikisha McDonald, the Corporate Communications Officer at the Inland Revenue Division, explained.
So, simply put, GTAX, which is also known as Grenada Tax, it's a new digital tax administration platform. Right, it allows the taxpayers to manage their tax obligations online. So whether it's filing returns, making payments, or requesting refunds, or even updating the information, everything can be done easily and conveniently on GTAX. So it's simply put, we try to make it as simple as possible. Whereas if either you're a new taxpayer or you're an existing taxpayer. So someone who is classified as a new taxpayer has never paid taxes before. So therefore you'd have to go sign up on a page you'll go sign up on a page and it asks you for the same information that a regular website will ask you. So similar to how you sign up for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, it asks you for these information. So it's your name, your email address. Once you put it in, it will it will basically say that, okay, your IRD will take your information and issue you a tax identification number, which is 10 digits. If you're an existing taxpayer, because you're moving from the old platform you used before, which is known as GTAX, it will cross-check the information you have submitted, especially your email address. If it's the same email address you have matching in our system from before, it will automatically give you a new tax identification number, which is now 10 digits. If somehow the information is wrong, it will take you probably 48 hours to get a response from Inland Revenue with your new taxpayer number. And then once you go into the platform, you will see all the taxes that you are registered for.
The GTAX platform offers taxpayers a secure and user-friendly system for managing their obligations. In addition to filing taxes and making payments, users can access detailed information on their land and properties. While 2026 property tax assessments will not yet be available on GTAX, taxpayers can still view balances and make payments through pay.gov.gd. Property demand notices will continue to be issued by post, and where email addresses are registered, notices will also be delivered electronically. The IRD is urging taxpayers to register early at tax.gov.gd and take time to familiarize themselves with the GTAX interface to ensure a smooth transition ahead of the 2026 deadline. Individuals who notice any discrepancies on their accounts are encouraged to contact the IRD promptly for support. The Ministry of Finance reaffirmed its commitment to improving public service delivery through innovation, noting that the nationwide rollout of GTAX represents a critical step towards a more accessible and transparent tax system for all Grenadians. Christina John, GBN News.